Hi guys, welcome to my channel today. Today I'm very happy to share a lesson with letter Q. So after everyone you have known the video from letter A, B, C, D to letter P. In this video I'm gonna release a new video with letter Q. So everyone come with me, join with me and practice all together with me. Come on. Okay, in this video, let's go to study with letter Q. Come on together, repeat 3 times all together. Q, Q, Q. The sound of letter Q is the sound quirk, quirk, quirk. Okay? And here are the 3 words that begin with letter Q. Number 1, queen, queen. Queen. Number 2, quail, quail, quail. Number 3, question, question, question. Okay? So everyone, come on and repeat all together. Queen, queen, queen. Quail, quail, quail. Question, question, question. Okay, so right now let's go to see the sentence all together. So here are the 2 sentences with the word that begin with letter Q. Come on. She is the queen. She is the queen. She is the queen. I have a question. I have a question. I have a questions. Okay. So thank you everyone for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe my channel to get the next video. Goodbye, see you next time.